Double speaking is a known tactic of certain types of people in this topic.
Everybody double speaks when they're in cognitive dissonance. Everybody. Without exception. Is taken a method and turned it into what men say. So science is going to say, science doesn't say anything, Jaron, you complete clown. It doesn't have lips. It's a method. Science says water will boil as a direct consequence of heat at 100 degrees centigrade at sea level or 14.7 psi.
And then they'd say, okay, what is science proven? And they say water boils at 100 degrees Celsius.
No, we wouldn't say that. We would say heat causes water to boil. How many times do I have to tell you that? With your little hypothetical here that you dreamed up in between the funhouse mirrors between your ears is horseshit. We don't say that. So we're just smashing it here with cowbell. So here comes some more. Scientists using the scientific method have proven. You ready? Number one, water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius at sea level. 1 atmosphere of pressure, that's 101 kilopascals or 14.7 psi.
And then they'd say, okay, what is science proven? And they say water boils at 100 degrees Celsius.
No, we wouldn't say that. We would say heat causes water to boil. How many times do I have to tell you that?
So that would be science. Why on unholy hell would you tell us that it's open to change after the fact?
Because it is. Because
no, if it's proven something, Tom, it's proven. It's not open to interpretation after the fact. It's proven. That's what...
Okay, so could you give an example?
Water boiling at 100 degrees at sea level.
No, we wouldn't say that. We would say heat causes water to boil. How many times do I have to tell you that?
Hypothesis. If heat independent variable, then water boils, dependent variable, at 100 degrees C at sea level. Null. If heat independent variable, then water does not boil, dependent variable, at 100 degrees C.
Horseshit. We don't say that.
If heat independent variable, then water boils, dependent variable, at 100 degrees C at sea level. Null. If heat independent variable, then water does not boil, dependent variable, at 100 degrees C.
Horseshit. We don't say that. So...
But what we're actually doing is arguing about whether water boils at 100 degrees C or not.
No, we wouldn't say that. See if these have changed. You ready? Water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit at sea level, 1 atmosphere of pressure, 101 kilopascals, or for examples, hypothesis examples. Heat will cause water to boil at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees. A dumb fuck. Shit's it. If you have something propagating, something has to sustain the propagation. I got a good idea. Let's try and define terms here. So, from study.com, in physics, wave propagation. Now we're in total context now. Wave propagation is a term used to describe the way waves travel or move. Without wave propagation, phenomena involving waves, sound, and light will not be possible. So we're right in it, right? Right in your context. So propagation equals travel. You see how I got there? Maybe I need somebody to come in and explain this to me and translate it so I can get the true meaning of this sentence. Fucking idiot.
Then it has a duration that can be qualified based on starting point, point A, the slit, and point B, the target. Well, you can also say that it doesn't have any duration of time at all. I prefer to repackage that as it doesn't have any journey. It's a very interesting point you've got there, Paul. I like that one a lot, and it leaves you with a lot of questions. The same questions, believe it or not, being asked by the people who perform the double slit.
Source to the observer. So what is a light year?
Not instantaneous. That's kind of erroneous. It doesn't have a journey, but if it has a point that you can observe it between the point that it's fired.
Quantum mechanics does not always wash itself out, because that's what it does most of the time. Why? Because of the acuity of our eyes. But to observe its effects for larger and larger objects, we would need more and more accurate measurement devices. We just do not have the sensitivity to observe the quantum effects around us, right? Just because we don't observe them doesn't mean they're not there. Just because we don't observe them doesn't mean they're not there. I want to make that perfectly clear. Around us, right? Large enough to be seen by the naked eye, placed in superposition. So a team of scientists has succeeded in putting an object large enough to be visible by the naked eye, or to the naked eye, into a mixed state of moving and not moving. So I think I dealt with this